Hey, what's up everyone? This is Rafal and today I'm just making a short update video. I haven't posted to YouTube for a while. I've been pretty busy with phones, so yeah, I had almost 30 phones in queue, which was quite a lot for me. I'm also working on a few projects, and one of them, I'm excited about all of them, but this one particularly because it will be a tool for microsolderers. That's something I'm making right now. This is part of it. I'm actually writing a driver for the microcontroller EFM8 to run the OLED panel. I had the boards made, and then I populated them with components. So just a USB, there's a switch and two headphone jacks, and this is going to be a very helpful tool for microsolderers. I know it doesn't look like much, but once you see the whole thing, you're gonna love it. I'm also editing a few videos, so stay tuned for that. I had an interesting one, 6S PMIC, that was fully filmed, and I'm right now editing, and I still actually have to finish the repair. But once this is done, I will upload that. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi and just update what's going on, and just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for all the messages that you guys send me. So most of them are really cool. And I'll catch you later in the next video.